Hi everyone, welcome to Kanishka Art Studio. Today we learn how to make this beautiful rose with one stroke method. For making rose we need white color, magenta color and 8 number flat brush. For making petals we take one side white and another side pink and blend it. For making petals, we move our hand up and down motion. Place your brush on paper and press slightly. Move your brush in up and down motion. Many beginners do like this, but this is the wrong method. Move your brush in up and down motion. Now practice with same method the lower petal. Let's start to paint the rose. Make the petals with up and down motion process. Always remember that the inner space should be wider. First layer is complete. Now make the second layer petal with same process. For making rosebud, place your brush and make C-shape curve. And for lower one, make downward C-shape curve. Place your brush on the starting of the bud and move in the motion downward C. Now C again. Place your brush and move in C-shape curve and downward C-shape curve. Make third stroke with the starting of the first bud. Now for making outer small bud, place your brush and lift. Firstly, we complete our second layer with up and down motion petals. Our second layer is complete. Now we make small bud. For it, place your brush and lift. Place and lift. Make the stroke as I am doing. And with this last stroke, our rose is complete. Thank you for watching.